No, come on.
Ah, these stupid guys again.
Seriously? Let's see.
Oh,
Yep, it's them. Grab your gun.
open up! Oh my gosh, they look angry.
Yep. Yeah, I kinda, sorta, owe them money. Not yet. Stupid. Hey, ready? Let's do this.
Ladies first.
Oh, come on. Even now you have to. Yeah!
Ah, get up! Get up! Ah! Go!
Behind the ramp! Those idiots. Come on. Fire!
I got the other one. Let's go.
Why did I have to choose this gun? Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I owe you money. Sorry, bro.
I got the other one.
Let's make sure you didn't run away.
Let's go. Let's go.
You want to head back to the trailer and watch something?
Sure.
Alright.
Let's go.
This is lame. Well, we showed them, huh?
Yeah. Time to go back to sleep.
I know, right? See you in a few hours. Hey guys, so this is Evan. I run this channel, and I'd like to thank all my subscribers and anybody who's ever watched a video of mine. I love making these videos, and like, comment, and subscribe if you like to see more.
Hit him with a hat.
This isn't too perfect. Ty, you want to?
Yeah, so sorry about in the video if it's bad quality. My gun wasn't working.
So this is my brother Ty. He's got a video that we did some Magnus trick shots. Only video. You want to introduce yourself?
Sure. No, okay.
Okay. Well, this is our mystery friend.
Squad.
You've seen him in some other videos like
Lots
Nerf War
of them.
Retaliation 1.
Yeah, that was pretty
Parkour
weird.
tricks. Yeah. Parkour
And
tricks.
they've also got their own. They've also got their own channel.
Yep. Well, kind of.
Yeah, we
Kind
need
of.
to post more when I get better at scootering things.
Yeah. And then finally, this is Blake. You want to introduce yourself? No? Alright, well,
He's the guy that did the hat throw. Just remember that about him.
thanks for watching this video.
Signing off for now.
See ya.
Pound it.